In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the code execution cannot proceed because Steam api64.Dll was not found error in Windows 10, all in just 5 minutes. If you're getting this error message when trying to launch your favorite game, don't worry. We've got a straightforward fix that you can follow step by step. First, let's open the Steam client. Steam is your go-to platform where you have your library of games, and we'll start there. So launch the client and direct yourself to the library section. This portion of the Steam interface is designed to show you all the games that you own. Next up, locate the game that's causing you trouble. Right-click on its name and a menu will pop up. From here, select Properties. This will open a new window with several tabs that allow you to adjust different settings related to the game. Once you're in the Properties window, navigate to the Installed Files tab. Depending on the version of Steam you are using, it might also be referred to as the Local Files tab. This section manages everything associated with the files necessary for your game to run properly. Now click on the option to verify integrity of game files. What this does is prompt Steam to check the game's files on your computer against the ones on Steam servers. It will automatically download and replace any files that are either missing or corrupted, which could be the solution to our Steam api64.Dll problem. You'll need to wait a bit as Steam completes this verification process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the game, this could take just a few minutes. Once the verification is finished, go ahead and try running the game again. Often, this will resolve the issue and you'll be back to playing in no time. However, if you're still experiencing problems, we might have to take an alternative approach and manually download the DLL file. Head over to a reputable DLL download site to get the Steam api.dll file. Make sure to download the correct version compatible with your system. It's crucial to use a reliable source, as some sites may offer corrupted or malicious files that can harm your computer. After downloading, place the file into the game's installation directory. This location is usually within your Steam folder under Steam Apps and then Common, but will vary depending on where you've installed the game. This manual method should solve the issue if the verification process didn't work out. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error and get back to enjoying your game. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.